Empty the dust bin from all the dust. Remove both filters and make sure you shake off the excess dust away from the filter. Do this outside and keep shaking until no more dust comes out. Same for the HEPA filter. As you can see, a lot of fine dust has been captured by the filter. Every 3 months, it's suggested to wash the filters.